left our city with their heads down, with a result they never expected. And for that I am so grateful for your confidence, for your friendship, and I can't wait to get back to work at City Hall, to work on the many projects that we're going to have together, whether it is and the good thing about this great group of friends is that there's no shortage of ideas. And I know, because even a few hours after the election, there were different suggestions. You know, the suggestion of the walkway we need at the Maki Masjid to make it easier to the bridge. And so I know there's going to be dozens and dozens of little suggestions like that that can make life easier for our residents. And you know, I can't wait to get those ideas put into reality, just like we did in the last 4 years. And I'm a very loyal individual. And the loyalty and the friendship and the support you have shown me is something that we're never going to forget. And by the way, Gigi's got a better memory than me. So if I ever do forget, she'll give me a punch on the shoulder. So I just wanted to come tonight. I know tonight's not a night for long speeches, but it's a night to celebrate together and to offer our appreciation. And I just wanted to say, once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone, Baba will be here for the next 45 minutes to take photos with anyone that wants. And if you don't want a photo with Baba, I'm happy to take one too. But thank you again. Thank you so much.